Welcome back to Product Critique. Today's spotlight is on something meaningful, something personal, and something designed to strengthen bonds no matter the distance. This is the best family bracelet set available right now. The EEChristmas Pinky Promise Distance Matching Bracelets. A three-piece set made for best friends, siblings, parents, partners, or anyone you want to stay connected with. At first glance, these bracelets look simple, but the meaning behind them is what makes them special. Each bracelet features a rope chain style design paired with metal alloy accents. The design is minimal, durable, and versatile enough to match everyday outfits, whether casual, workwear, or even something more styled. The clasp type is a snap closure, making it easy to put on and remove without needing help. And because the rope is adjustable, these bracelets can comfortably fit teens, women, and men without worrying about sizing. What makes this set truly meaningful is the message it represents. The Pinky Promise theme symbolizes commitment and connection. It says, "No matter where life takes us, no matter how far apart we are, I'm with you." Distance can be painful, but these bracelets act as a physical reminder of a shared bond, creating comfort and connection even from miles away. The design also includes a compass element in some variations, reflecting direction, guidance, and purpose. It's perfect for anyone experiencing big life transitions such as moving away for college, relocating for work, or simply dealing with long-distance friendships or relationships. Wearing it can feel like a small reminder that everything will be okay and that someone out there cares. The full set contains 3 matching bracelets, making it ideal for trios. Siblings who want a shared symbol, best friends who want something meaningful instead of just an accessory, or families wanting a sentimental keepsake will find this especially fitting. It also works beautifully as a birthday gift, holiday surprise, or even a thank you token for someone who has stayed supportive and present. Since the bracelet style is subtle and gender neutral, it blends well with other jewelry or can be worn alone as a clean signature accessory. The absence of gemstones gives it a more grounded and minimalist appearance, which many people love because it feels intentional instead of decorative. What stands out most about this bracelet set isn't the materials or the style, though those are thoughtfully chosen. It's the emotional story it carries. You're not just giving jewelry. You're giving reassurance, connection, and a shared symbol that feels meaningful every time it's worn. So if you're looking for a gift that expresses loyalty, love, and togetherness, this bracelet set does exactly that. It's simple, symbolic, and beautifully personal. The EEChristmas Pinky Promise bracelets are more than an accessory. They're a reminder that distance means nothing when connection is real. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful and want more product breakdowns with meaning behind the design, make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned. See you in the next video.